What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression of the first Moresque fragrance in my collection. It's called Soul Batik. A lot of the Fracom members kind of like swears by this fragrance. They say it's a beautiful ambery vanilla fragrance. So I'm about to find out what it's all about. And if you're not subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe to my channel because this is not a sponsored content. I purchased this with my own personal money. Show some love and support to this humble and nice guy, right? So let's unbox this baby. The packaging looks beautiful. I mean, it almost looks like a small book, if you will. And let's see what it's all about. Why so many people in the Fracom swear by this fragrance. Wow. The feel is premium. It's a beautiful, almost like a brown golden packaging. Very nice. Let's see. So the box slides out like that. Pretty much empty. And look at this. Wonderful bottle presentation and design, I must say. It's so nicely done. So I don't see any cushion material. It's just paper, cardboard paper, but with the beautiful presentation and design inside. In fact, the bottle itself is designed in that way. Wonderful stuff. And the juice color is beautiful, nice, ambery, almost like booze. Let's go ahead and read out the notes first, and then I'm gonna do my first impression of Batik, Soul Batik. So on the top, I'm reading the notes from their website. So on the top, you've got bergamot and cardamom. On the mids, you've got geranium, pink pepper, incense, and on the base, you've got vanilla, patchouli, and amber. A lot of heavy stuff going on. Let's find out what Moresque Soul Batik is all about. I don't know, maybe the bottle kind of got crashed in the process. I don't know. Can you see it? Anyways, a little Photoshop can do wonders. So the cap, I must say the cap does not lock into place. It just sits snugly. It's pretty heavy. It's metal for sure. And I think the size is 75 mil. So these come in 75 mil. Let's go ahead and check out Soul Batik for the first time. Here goes. Okay, pretty concentrated, but a nice distribution on the atomizer. Ooh, and man, look at the insane amount of juice that it shoots out. Wow. How many did I do? Like 4 or 5? I would say that's a very nice thing. I mean, spray from far away, it's gonna cover more area. It's got that a bit fruity, tarty, fresh, zingy kind of bergamot right up top. I see why people like it so much. Has this nice depth to this fruitiness. Has this mysterious darkness to it, but it's not absolutely dark. There's like a mysteriousness to it. I don't know, there's some other thing going on. So the cardamom is definitely amping up the spicy factor. The pink pepper definitely is adding to the warmth over here. So it's almost like a zingy warmth. I guess that's where the zing is coming from. The incense is kind of like on the sweeter side. It's not too sweet, but it's like a borderline sweet, smoky kind of combo. That's how I feel in my nose. But this fragrance definitely has a lot of depth. Like you can tell there are so many layers to it. Yeah, Soul Batik is something that's definitely suitable for colder months. I don't see myself wearing this during the warmer months because this thing's not gonna do it. It's probably gonna smell really bad in the warmer months because this thing calls for attention. This thing is heavy, it's dense. And the sophistication, like the complexity is like up there, really nice. Some kind of vanilla coming through. Yep. I don't get any patchouli. Like, again, personally me, I don't like patchouli too much. I'm really scared whenever a fragrance has patchouli in it. I'm really kind of scared. This thing is not going in that direction, not the dank, earthy kind of thing. It's not like that. Not the dry, earthy thing or dirty kind of patchouli. It's not like that. It's probably adding to some earthiness for sure, but somewhere very light, very mild. It's not pronounced. But you can tell the amber effect is right there. You feel the dry amber with that almost like a creamy, borderline creamy, powdery kind of vanilla coming through. I'm pretty sure it's gonna change over time. It's already changing, like in the air, like from far away, it's smelling really good. You go very close, you get that like strong bergamot still. 100% a win with Moresque Soul Batik. I see why you guys liked it so much, and thank you to all those people who commented on my short clip that I posted asking like, how do you feel about this one? Anybody or everyone who has commented like they really enjoyed this one, I see exactly what you mean. I'm gonna do full wearings and of course come back and say what I felt about this after I've done full wearings. I'll talk about performance, projection, and everything. I'll tell you in my full review because this is only the first impression and so far I'm really liking it. So again, if you have made it this far, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.